If you are new to the world of AI trading, this video is for you. AI trading is for everyone, and I think everyone should participate and take advantage of this new money-making opportunity. But there are people out there who still don't trust AI. When IBM and Microsoft created PCs, the public responded positively. I was happy to get rid of my typewriter back then. When Nokia and Apple came out with the first mass-marketed cell phone, the public was happy about that too. But when it comes to AI, some people are excited about the future, some people are pessimistic. So before I explain AI trading, I think it's helpful to define AI. What is artificial intelligence? It is a computer, a machine, that can perform tasks that typically requires human intelligence. This includes learning, problem solving, and decision making. It is machines mimicking human cognition. The best analogy that comes to mind, when Microsoft Office came out back in the 90s, the computer knew how to read and write. You use Microsoft Office to write papers, Excel is used for creating spreadsheets, PowerPoint is used to create presentations. These programs replaced manual work. AI is replacing certain kinds of mental work. And in terms of AI trading, you also take emotions out of the equation. So when I did research for this video, I learned that creating AI requires learning a programming language. The last programming language I learned in school was HTML. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the language you use to create web pages and websites. So, to create AI, the most popular language is called Python. I found some code to read in Python, and it is a lot like learning a new language. HTML is not the same as Python, the same way that as a native English speaker, it would take me a while to learn Italian. So it would take me a while to learn Python. AI trading is using artificial intelligence and algorithms to automate and optimize trading decisions in the financial markets. It is leveraging technology to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and execute trades with very little human intervention. There are 4 parts to AI trading. The first aspect is data analysis. AI algorithms analyze historical and real-time market data, including price movements, current events, and economic indicators, to identify potential trading opportunities. The second aspect is pattern recognition. Learning machines are trained to recognize complex patterns and trends that might be difficult for humans to detect. The third aspect is AI automatically executing trades based on predefined rules and parameters. The fourth aspect is risk management. It seems that AI does a better job than humans at managing investment risk by monitoring positions, adjusting stop-loss orders, and diversifying portfolios. This aspect is what excites me the most, because I used to work for the government here in New York City, and I have read news articles of people being found guilty of mismanaging investments inside employee pension plans. So I am wondering if AI trading can solve that problem, thereby giving government employees more peace of mind and more protection of their pensions. I don't know. I am just asking the question. The same way plenty of people have questions about AI and AI trading, I too have questions. So thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button below for future notifications. Click the like button to share this content with other AI investors. And just a reminder, AIIS is looking for traders and entrepreneurs. So if you know an AIIS associate in your area, ask them how you can get started. Take care, and I'll see you later.